morning, guys. We just got breakfast, and because the lady's house that we're at right now is like new, but it is not very pleasant. We're in a gas mask, and so hopefully that will help a whole bunch. We just got back at the house, got set up. I want to show you guys what we actually do here. Sorry, my battery died, but what happened is we went to lunch with the crew, and then we went back to the house, took a shower because we were filthy, and now we're on the road again, back to Utah, so that's what's going on right now. So we just got to the motel room, well, we decided to get a motel room because 24 hours in the car is actually way brutal. So we decided to get a motel room and spend the night. So tomorrow we'll probably just wake up and then go back to Utah. I think we're still in Texas, I'm not entirely sure. I drove for like 5 hours maybe.